Hi, welcome to 10 Key on the Computer. I'm Nancy Backlund. I am the instructor for the course and just want to introduce myself to you and give you a few pointers to help you get a successful start to the class. First off, you're going to start with the welcome module, and by doing that, you'll click on the button down below this video, open the first page, and then progress through that module, clicking next on each page. At the end of the module, there'll be a few assignments that you need to complete. When you've completed those assignments, your week 1 module will open on Monday. So that basically means you can do the welcome module this weekend, but not until Monday morning will your week 1 module open. And in that module, it gives you instructions on how to get started and use that access code. The access code will not work until Monday, until after I've created your account for the software. Once you have that account created, you'll progress through the first 5 lessons, creating a report that must be submitted by noon on Friday. And then after submitting your welcome assignments and that report, at 1 o'clock on Friday, there'll be a test that opens that'll assess your speed ability. That test closes Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. And that's the normal procedure for each week. You'll have a lesson report that's due Fridays at noon, and then the test opens at 1 p.m. Its closing time is 11:59 on Sunday evenings. So just remember that practice is what's going to help you with your speed and accuracy in this class. If you just do the minimal work, completing only the minimum amount of lessons, which is five attempts, per lesson, you may not see your speed be what you want it to be to get the grade that you are desiring. So if you have any questions, reach out to me through the inbox tool on the left there of your Canvas class, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I look forward to having you in class.